Hello everyone, we are doing revision for Unit 2 in Organization Theory Behavior. Okay, so we have completed almost all half of the unit. Now, we are in ending now. Let's we complete that concepts also. So now I'm going to discuss about the communication process. Okay, what is this communication process? Communication process is very important in our unit 2. You will get answer question also. Define communication process. So if he ask you like that, communication process ante, you have to mention introduction, and after that the process of communication process, you have to mention that, and after that what do you say, uh, barriers to communication process. Just a minute. Barriers of communication process you have to mention, and the differences between the importance of effective communication process, and what are the measurements, what are the steps that you are going to take for communication process, that also you have to mention. Basically, communication process, what is the communication process? If you see the communication process, it is the sharing information between the sender and receiver, as you know. So sender and receiver, whatever the process, whatever the communication we are sharing from sender to the receiver, what are the things in between, is known as a communication process. Basically involves what, sender first, what happens sender, after that encoding message, okay, and after that what, channel, okay, through which channel you are messaging, or approaching to receiver, that also important, and receiver, and after receiving, decoding and feedback. I will write for you people. So sender, is that clear? After sender what, decoding, and after that what, message, and after that what, channel, and after that what, receiver, and after that what, decoding, okay, and after that what, feedback. Is that clear? This is the process. This is called as the communication process. First one what? Sender. After sender, decoding the message through which channel and through the receiver, and decoding and feedback. Okay. So not decoding. I'm really sorry here. Encoding. Here sender to encoding, encoding to message, message to channel, channel to receiver, and decoding, and after that the feedback. This is the process of communication. And if you see functions of communication, if you see functions of communication, what are the functions of communication? As already we have discussed in our previous class, even here for functions of communication, there will be planning, there will be decision making, there will be coordination, okay, there will be motivation, and there will be control, and there will be problem solving. There will be problem solving. Is that clear? Problem solving, controlling, and planning. In communication, how you are going to do communicate, okay, planning, and decision making, and coordination, okay, coordination and motivation. Controlling, motivation also is there, I'm not mentioned here, find no issues, I will share my notes now. Okay, so these are the functions of communication. We have completed now functions of communication. Functions of communication and planning. Planning means how we are going to communicate through Facebook, okay, through WhatsApp, through Twitter. Is that clear? Through YouTube, or through phone, video call, or voice call. So plans will be there, right, for communication also. So, and after decision making, coordination, okay, and problem solving, and controlling. Is that clear? And after that, importance of effective communication. Importance of effective communication. So, why it is very important for effective communication? Why? For better understanding. Importance of effective communication for what? For better understanding, obviously. For teamwork, okay, na good teamwork. For employee motivation and a higher productivity, fewer conflicts. These all are the importance of effective communication. And after that, making communication effective. So, what we are going to do? Making communication effective. So how you can make communication effective? How? Means by good communication, by clear communication. Yes or no? So here clear message, simple language should be there. Okay, and proper feedback should be there. Right medium will be there. Avoid misunderstandings for what? For making communication effective. I will share the notes. Don't worry, sir, but still please listen. And one more thing, that is communication barriers. So the communication barriers. So what are the barriers? First A, B, okay, C and D. So there will be communication barriers. Some aspects that is, because of that lagging of communication will happen. What is the barriers? Let's we discuss here. The first barrier is the personal barrier. Okay, now what is personal barrier? Poor listening, is that clear? Emotions and attitude. This all includes in the personal barrier and semantic barriers. And one more thing is that semantic barriers. So, what is a semantic barrier? What is the semantic barrier? Semantic barrier is nothing but, difficult in words. Okay, different meanings. Not able to convey message properly. That we will call it as a semantic barrier. Okay, and after that, physical barrier. Physical barrier. So what is this physical barrier? Physical barrier is nothing but noise, distance, poor network. This all comes under the physical barrier. Okay, noise, disturbances, okay, poor network. This all comes under the physical barrier. The last barrier is the process barrier. So process barrier means poor encoding. Okay, process barrier, nothing but, poor encoding and wrong encoding and lack of feedback. This all comes under the process barrier. I hope you guys understood this. Please try to take a screenshot of this. Okay, now let's we discuss another thing, that is sixth topic, overcoming communication barriers. Overcoming communication barriers. So how to overcome this all communication barriers? Use a simple language. How? What are the first thing we have to use simple language and encourage feedback. If we will get feedback, there is a chance to correct ourselves, right? First we have to use the simple language and we have to encourage for feedback. Okay, and after that, listen carefully. We have to listen carefully, reduce noise, select proper communication, proper channel to overcoming communication barriers. Okay, forms of communication barriers. There is a forms of communication barriers which I am going to what do you say, explain in our class. Okay, forms of communication barrier you will get in short answers, 5 marks answers he will definitely ask. One is grapevine communication barrier. No worries, I will explain this. Okay, and after that, interpersonal communication and transactional communication. Okay, interpersonal communication, and third one, TA I'm mentioning transactional, what do you say, transactional analysis. Okay, this all I will explain you, no worries, in detail I will explain you. So almost all maximum we have completed our unit 2. Is that clear? Departmentation we have completed, communication process we have completed, all the important topics what have to be covered, that all I have completed. Again I will upload one more video, my own notes. Okay, all unit one important concepts I will make a video, I will upload that. You guys see this, and that also if you see you will get better understanding, and try to take notes from that my, what do you say, no, from my notes. Okay, the notes in the video form I am uploading, right? So that is my own notes. So what you can do, you please try to take screenshots and make notes, and after that important questions also I will discuss. And almost all 8 or 9 long answers I have given, short answers less only. Why? Because from long answers only maximum they will give, right? So I will explain you that. So important question and answers I will upload one video for unit 2, and complete explanation one video, that my notes videos I will upload. Okay na? Please dear, please try to focus. There is no time, very limited time is there. Focus. Okay, instead of seeing shots, I know that even I too habituated of seeing seeing shots, and involving in social media. Yes, fine, you can do that, but please take little seriously. Not more days is there, not even 5 6 days also, it's not like that. 2 days only there. Please focus whatever videos I am doing. Try to take the notes. It's completely from PGRC I'm uploading this MBA OU syllabus. Okay, unit wise, point to point I'm uploading. Try to listen that, try to make your own words. You will get outstanding definitely. Is that clear? All the very best. Thank you.